behind all the hikes, it's not just having fun. I want the students tasting the best parts of Malta. I want to bring students together. My name is Ray Saliba. I am Maltese. I am 58 years old now. My full-time job is a teacher. I work also at the university residence, but now mainly I'm more working even organizing hikes. Actually, I've been organizing activities for the students for the past 25, 30 years. The reason behind all the hikes and the activities that I used to do was connecting people, connecting students. Since I was young, I always liked hikes. I started seeing that the students lacked something, you know? They lacked to see Malta, they lacked to bind themselves with something. Seeing them stopping at intervals and the people exchanging views of themselves, of their culture, talking in different languages, eating together, swimming together. So that's kind of an enrichment that is really important. It's really important. And that's what fascinates me. There are hikes that I've been there for about 30, 40 times. But every time that I go there, first of all, it's a kind of relaxation for me, because living in the middle of concrete, it's all building, cars and pollution. Every time I go to these hikes, these landscapes, you know, the few that still remain, all right, it's not just the fresh air, it's the freedom that they give you, all right? It's the quietness. That's the best kind of landscape that anyone can find in Malta. First of all, I don't like to do athletic hikes, like forced marches hikes. I try to do hikes of about 10, 12 kilometers. Most of my hikes are done near seaside, and my hikes are always between 4 or 5 hours, most of which 3 hours are walking and 2 hours are stopping, sightseeing, photographing, talking, you know. So people will enjoy it. Usually there are over 100 people, sometimes 170 people. The record is about 230. I do different kind of hikes. Adventurous hikes, sightseeing hikes, historical hikes. One is the St. Paul's hike, Gozo hike. I done the 6 beaches hike. We go to 6 different beaches in the north of Malta. And Dingley Cliffs hike. Dingley Cliffs, for example, is very good for scenery. All right. They are all quite a little bit adventurous. They are all very good in scenery. This Sunday we're going to Popeye Village. We start walking on the cliff edge and we stop for the first break near one of the Deredin towers. They were built by the Grandmaster Deredin about 300 years ago. They were kind of watchtowers. Then we move on to the Bay of Ain Tuffiha, where I believe is over the cliffs is one of the best scenery in Malta. Going down to the bay and then going up and going back to Golden Bay, where we have the main break there. Moving on to the R.LUM.R, which is a natural reserve, and finishing about 5 o'clock at Popeye Village.
It's really nice to meet all those different peoples and everybody's getting together here. And obviously a wonderful view.
Ray did a very great job. We came to places we would never visit them alone.
We are in Popeye Village. We are about 90 people. It was a really great day. I enjoyed it with all these nice people here, so it's a day to remember. Every hike is different. Some people, some boys, they will bring big boxes of music with them, you know. It's like a moving disco. I had hikes with drunk people coming back, coming for the hike. They went to Pacheville, they didn't sleep. But looking back, when students are going back home, these things they mention, all right, they don't mention Pacheville, but these things, they continue to remember it. I take care of people, I give them advices, I'll tell them what to do. If there is a cliff 2 meters away from you, you don't have to go sitting on the edge of a 20-story cliff dangling your feet, but some students do it. I am really concerned about it, and till now, God's will, all I can did well. To organize every activity alone, it's very difficult, very difficult. I know, but I like the challenge. Just when I see this smile of people returning from hikes, from hiking, you know, tired but happy, you know, that's always my reward. So the satisfaction that they give me and the friendship that they show me and the honesty and sincerity that they shower me, I'm really, really happy with it, you know. I live my life for students, actually. If I have to do it again in my life, I close my eyes and I do all what I did.